So, ako po si Zach Castañeda as Direk Martin.
And hello po, ako po si Luis Vera Perez playing the role of Dina.
And we are...
The Good Boys!
The Good Boys!
Kailangan mo i-prove ulit yung sarili mo kasi you're only good as your last work. So, siguro mas winark on ko yung mga background na may mental health issues para mas ma-deepen ko yung void dun sa nawawalan ni Dina. Para maintindihan ko ano nararamdaman niya. Kasi, pag pinaportray ko siya, isa kami. So, yun yung important na in-up ko sa season 2.
Actually, same thing, no? Kasi sa season 1, kasi si Direk Martin, bilis yung scene niya eh. Like, actually, one episode lang si Direk Martin. Actually, one episode lang si Direk Martin. Boomer! Pero
Sunduan.
I would say though na mas parang sobrang unhinged ni Direk Martin sa season 1. And I would like to say na the difference lang in season 2 is parang medyo little parang he's not as unhinged. Kasi si Direk Martin kasi I mean in the story ako kasi yung organizers sa beach na yun, and of course I have to show na I have to show face I'm good. Pero in reality, sobrang narcissistic si Direk Martin eh. So, yun.
Favorite scene siguro yung confrontation namin ni Atom. Kasi parang, abangan nyo na lang guys, maganda yung scene. Pero siya, important scene siya para sa mga susunod na episode. So, abangan nyo guys.
Okay, parang,
diba?
Actually, the confrontation, yun, pero honestly, I really liked how unhinged Direk Martin is nung season 1 eh. I really wanted to show more of my craziness. Kaso, yun nga, like, I really have to like level it sa season 2. No? Like, I really have to keep it like, I have to keep my insanity sane, but at the same time, I could sprack at any moment eh. Kaya, yun. I want to say to those that supported me nung season 1, thank you guys. Kasi I really didn't know na I'd be back in season 2. Honestly, until si Direk Lauren told me na, Zach, you're gonna go back in season 2. Sabi ko, really? You're gonna be... Kasi, I don't know, parang sobrang blur kasi nung season 1. Like, okay, I got this character, Direk Martin, and... Wala siyang clarity. So I had to like make my own backstory. Pero, yun, parang... I'm just happy na you guys wanted to see more of Direk Martin, and sana you enjoy how I portray a kontrabida.
So,
ito yung pinaka-unhinged eh.
As Dino, ano po yung question ulit po? Ayan, salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta. Masabi na kay Dino. Kahit may nakikita akong bashful comment, salamat po. Compliment yan sa actor kasi patunayan ko na bigyan ko ng justice yung character. Nasirain yung araw nyo. So, ayun, maraming salamat po.
Baliktad nga the more you hate us, the more we enjoy it. We enjoy those ratings. So, yun.
Kasi yung hard work mo nag-pay off.
Amen.
So, ayun. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
Love you.